Hi everyone, welcome back for another tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you a very quick tip, and basically is find the middle of a document. I know there are tutorials out there doing that, and recently Colin Smith from PhotoshopCafe.com did one, and it works really well, but there is another way, and I'm going to show you exactly the other way. So first thing first, I've got a background layer and I'm just going to duplicate that layer. And as you can see, we have the transform handles right here. So that is because I've got show transform controls on. So that's your first step. Another step is edit, preferences, and I'm going to tools, and right here on the tools, show reference point when using transform. So I'll click that and click OK. So basically with new Photoshop CC 2019, this is an option. So after all of this, now it's ready to go. So basically I don't need to worry about changing any more settings, so I'll just duplicate the layer and I've got the middle point. Control or Command R brings you the rulers, so I can just bring it down like so, and it will snap to the middle. So I'm just going to bring another document and like so. There you go, another document, and exactly the same thing. Duplicate the layer and we've got it here, and drag and drag, and we've got the middle of the document. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video with everyone you know, and even to those you don't know. I will put down the link for Photoshop Cafe with the other option that you can use, so check the link on the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.